Good day, folks. Today we're diving into a world of feathers and clucks to reveal some mind-blowing facts about chickens. From their surprising intelligence to their vibrant color vision, chickens are far more remarkable than you may think. Did you know they can be hypnotized, or that they are living descendants of dinosaurs? Or that the color of an eggshell can be determined by the hen's earlobe? These are just a few intriguing insights we're about to uncover, so buckle up and get ready to be amazed. Starting at number 10, did you know chickens are incredibly intelligent? That's right, chickens, those feathery creatures we often underestimate, are quite the brainiacs. They have a knack for solving problems. For instance, they've been known to figure out how to get to a food source that isn't readily available. It's like they have their own little version of Mission Impossible going on. But that's not all. Chickens can also recognize humans. Yes, your feathery friend can tell you apart from your neighbor. They can remember faces and associate them with experiences, be they good, bad, or somewhere in between. It's time we rethink our perspective on these birds. They're not just egg-laying machines or Sunday dinner. They're intelligent beings with a surprising depth of cognitive abilities. So the next time you see a chicken, remember this. These feathery friends can give some mammals a run for their money when it comes to intelligence. Coming in at number 9, a chicken's egg color can be predicted by the color of its earlobes. Now you might be wondering, how is that even possible? Well, it's all down to genetics. Chickens have two main earlobe colors, red and white. It's fascinating to discover that these seemingly insignificant features can be a telltale sign of the egg color. Chickens with white earlobes generally lay white eggs, while those with red or brown earlobes tend to lay brown eggs. Of course, there are exceptions, but this pattern holds true for most breeds. This little nugget of information is a handy trick for farmers, breeders, and chicken enthusiasts alike. It's a clear example of how nature, in its infinite wisdom, often leaves clues in the most unexpected places. So next time you're at a farm or a petting zoo, take a closer look at the chickens. Their earlobes might just tell you something interesting. Who knew earlobes could be so revealing? At number 8, prepare to be stunned. Chickens can be hypnotized. Yes, you heard it right. This intriguing phenomenon is known as tonic immobility, or animal hypnosis. This is a natural state of semi-paralysis that chickens and other animals can enter, usually when they feel threatened. How does it work? Tonic immobility can be induced in chickens by holding them on their back or side and gently stroking their belly or beak. After a few moments, the chicken will appear to be in a trance-like state, motionless and unresponsive. But don't worry, they're not hurt or distressed. Scientists believe this is a defense mechanism, a way for chickens to play dead when they're under threat. It's a fascinating demonstration of the complex behaviors these birds are capable of. So next time you see a chicken lying still, it might just be hypnotized. Our 7th fact is a dirty one. Chickens actually bathe in dirt. Yes, you heard that right. What may seem like a messy pastime is actually a crucial part of chicken hygiene called dust bathing. This curious behavior involves chickens digging a shallow hole and rolling around in it, flinging dust over their bodies and fluttering their wings to get it right down to their skin. But why do chickens take these dirt baths? Well, it serves several important purposes. Firstly, it helps to keep their feathers in top shape by removing excess oil. Secondly, it's a natural way to get rid of parasites like mites and lice that can be harmful to their health. And lastly, believe it or not, it's a form of social activity. Chickens often dust bathe together, strengthening their bond as a flock. Fascinating, right? So, when a chicken rolls in dirt, it's actually taking a bath. At number 6, we learn that chickens have impressive memories. Contrary to popular belief, these feathery friends are far from being bird-brained. Chickens have a remarkable ability to remember. They can recognize and remember over 100 different faces. Not just of other chickens, but humans too. That's right, your backyard hens know who you are. This memory mastery also extends to locations. Chickens can remember specific places like the location of their favorite food source or the safest spot to roost. They use this information to navigate their environment and make decisions, much like we do. Chickens also remember their social order. They have a complex hierarchy known as the pecking order. Each chicken knows its place in the flock and remembers the faces of those above and below them in rank. So next time you're around chickens, remember, they're probably remembering you too. Number 5 takes us into the world of chicken communication. Don't underestimate the humble chicken. Their vocal repertoire is surprisingly complex. Chickens have over 30 distinct sounds. Yes, you heard it right, over 30. These sounds are not just random clucks and squawks, they have specific meanings. For instance, a chicken will emit a low, repetitive cluck when she's found something tasty to eat. This is her way of saying, "Hey, there's food here, come and get it." On the other hand, a high-pitched squawk usually signals danger, warning the rest of the flock to take cover. Then there's the egg song, a triumphant cluck-cluck-bagawk. This is a hen's way of announcing to the world, "I've just laid an egg." And yes, roosters have their own unique calls too, which are primarily used to attract hens or assert dominance. So, when a chicken clucks, it's not just making noise, it's communicating. Number 4 might surprise you. Chickens have better color vision than humans. These feathered creatures are champions when it comes to color vision. Unlike us humans who have 3 types of color receptors in our eyes, chickens have an extra one. This 4th receptor allows them to see a wider range of colors and even ultraviolet light, which is completely invisible to us. Think about it. It's like they're wearing a pair of super-powered sunglasses all the time. The world through a chicken's eyes is far more vibrant and colorful. Imagine seeing the sunrise with a whole new range of hues, or spotting a juicy worm in the soil with an ultraviolet glow. It's a riot of colors in their world, bursting with shades we can't even begin to comprehend. So next time you look at a chicken, remember they're seeing the world in a far more colorful way than we ever could. At number 3, we delve into the dreamy world of chickens. You might be asking yourself, can chickens dream? Well, prepare to be amazed because the answer is yes. Chickens, like many other animals, go through different stages of sleep, including REM or rapid eye movement sleep, which is when dreaming occurs. Now, this doesn't mean that chickens dream about being the next big rooster on the block or laying the golden egg. Their dreams are more likely related to their daily experiences, such as finding food or avoiding predators. And what does this tell us about their brain complexity? Quite a lot, actually. The ability to dream is connected to memory and learning, suggesting that chickens have a more complex brain structure than we might have previously assumed. So, the next time you look at a chicken snoozing away in the coop, remember, they could be off on a dreamy adventure. So just like us, chickens can have sweet dreams too. At number 2, we're debunking a myth. Chickens aren't completely flightless. Yes, you heard it right. A chicken doesn't need an airplane to get airborne. While they may not soar like eagles, chickens are capable of short bursts of flight. This is particularly useful when they need to escape predators or reach high perches. The average chicken can fly for about 13 feet, but the world record for a chicken flight is a whopping 200 feet. Height-wise, they can typically reach elevations of about 10 feet. These flights may be brief, but they are a testament to the chicken's adaptability and survival instincts. They may spend most of their time strutting around on the ground, but when the situation calls for it, they can take to the skies, so not all chickens prefer to keep their feet on the ground. And finally, at number 1, did you know chickens are living descendants of dinosaurs? That's right. They might not look like the monstrous reptiles we often imagine, but the evidence is compelling. Scientific studies have shown that birds are a subgroup of theropod dinosaurs, which include the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. Chickens in particular share more than 60% of their DNA with these prehistoric beasts. Astonishingly, the chicken is the closest living relative to the T-Rex. This connection is visible in their physical structure, such as their 3-toed stance. Even the way a chicken walks is strikingly similar to the gait of a T-Rex. Moreover, the discovery of collagen proteins preserved in T-Rex fossils that closely match those found in modern chickens further solidifies this link. It's a connection that spans over 65 million years, bridging the gap between prehistoric times and the modern world. Unbelievable, isn't it? But according to studies, our backyard is a tiny T-Rex. Well, there you have it. We've journeyed through 10 fascinating facts about chickens. From their surprising intelligence, earlobe color secrets, and hypnotic abilities, to their peculiar dirt baths, remarkable memories, and complex communication. We've marveled at their superior color vision, dream capabilities, and unexpected flight skills. And let's not forget, these feathered friends are living links to the age of dinosaurs. Next time you see a chicken, remember, there's more to them than meets the eye.